Welcome to our Adobe Illustrator tutorial on creating a camouflage pattern. In this session, we'll dive into the world of vector graphics and explore the step-by-step process of designing a unique camouflage pattern using Adobe Illustrator. The first thing we're going to do is draw rectangular ones, which will be the basis for our camouflage. The size can be any size. Go to the Menu Object, Path, Split into Grid. This way, we will split the rectangle into many identical shapes that we will work with further. Set the number of rows and columns to any value that suits you. Try to make the shapes visually square. You can see this by clicking the Preview button. So we have a grid, we select the grid, select the shape builder, then set the color, any contrasting color. I chose black, and start drawing two squares, vertically and horizontally, randomly. Next, we take the Select tool and set the corners to 100%. This will turn the squares into circles, in our case an oval. Now, we take the Shape Builder again and draw circles, some of which can be connected. Leave as few white circles as possible. Next, go to the Object, Path, Offset Path menu. Thus, we will reduce the volume of each object. Without deselecting the selection, drag the newly created object to the side. Now let's paint them in different colors that we prepared in advance in the Swatches panel. Select the object, select the palette in the Swatches panel, and apply the Randomness script. Make the background slightly darker than the darkest camouflage color. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Let's get started on crafting your own unique camouflage masterpiece in Adobe Illustrator.